Hey there, game developers. Today, I'm excited to present to you a game-ready low-poly 3D model that will perfectly fit into your projects. This character is ideal for creating grinding enemies, mobs, additional opponents. Technical specifications: Epic Skeleton UE4 for seamless integration, high-quality weight painting for smooth animations, LiveLink support with 52 AirKit blend shapes, optimized geometry, 10,000 vertices, 17,000 triangles. 3 materials and 11 4K textures can be optimized to 512 without losing quality. The best part? You can use any humanoid animations and blueprints from the Fab Store with this character. And that's not all. The package also includes a Blender file for those who prefer working in this software. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, reach out to me via social media. And one more thing, if you decide to purchase this asset, please support my work by leaving a review on the Fab Store. Your feedback really helps me create better content in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy developing. See you in the next video.